Okay. So that day already we started our new lesson, second term lesson. What is the name of the lesson?
Living things.
Very good. Living things.
Things.
Very good. Living things. And I gave you little explanation also. And that day, very few students attend because somebody having the internet problem. That's why again I want to start from the beginning. Very small lesson, but very good lesson and very important lesson. So nothing tough things in this lesson. Everything is very easy, but you have to open your ears. What time teacher will
Yes.
you have to open.
Teacher is school also teaching, no?
Yes.
Close your ears.
Yeah. I told you hold your ears. Like this. Why I'm telling like this? If you'll make like this, directly sound come to go inside and it will come and store here. In mobile also, in computer also have the CPU, no? So our CPU
Yes.
inside the
Yes.
if anything we want to keep inside the CPU means stored, you can keep. So for that, what you need to concentration. Okay, very good. So many things already. What is the page number, my dear? Can you tell me?
37.
Very good.
3737.
3737. Very good. Rakimon taught me 3737. Rakimon is the correct page?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. So, already I taught you what is the living thing before I taught you. Can you tell me some example of living things?
Tree.
Tree. Okay.
Teacher,
Then
plants can live.
plants, leaves. Okay. Then
Green pea, frog,
Very
butterfly,
Very
and
very good. Very good. And
flowers also can live.
okay.
Teacher, page number living
Page
things.
37, my dear. Page number 37.
Teacher, flowers also living things.
Flower means plants. All plants are the living things. Why plants are calling the living thing? That things I already taught. But again, I want to tell you. Living
Plants can living things, but they cannot move.
they cannot move, but they are change their place. What time? Where
Teacher, they can stay their place.
grown up. Okay. 1 minute. Huh? Living things can take the breath. Look at the picture. What you can see? That boy also taking the air for breathing. Yes or no?
Yes.
And see this picture. This is a picture of a boy and this is a picture of an animal. What you can feel from this picture? You can see some small.
Teacher, that horse. Teacher, horse and bird, one bird. Plants. Fish. Teacher, horse.
This is not the horse, Baba. I didn't ask you. This is horse or what? I told you what you can see here in this picture. If you talk, then I will not take the class. Too much noisy class. I told you. What time I will ask you, that time give me the answer. Look at the picture. This is a picture of animals. In this picture, you can see that animals also taking breath. Because of this picture, we can find out. The boy also taking the oxygen and throwing the carbon dioxide. Here also we can see.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, which time no? Some grandpa is gonna die. They cannot take a breath. No?
Yes.
They are like car, like so many things. They cannot take a breath.
What you can feel from this picture? Can you explain anyone?
Teacher, I can.
No,
Teacher,
no. Mahmoud, you will not talk. I will ask to others. I will ask to Monaed. Monaed?
Yes, teacher.
From this picture, what you can understand? Can you explain? Yes, baby. Try to Try to say something, no? I know you can.
Smaller to bigger.
Yes, smaller to bigger means what? Means grown up. Same like humans, same like plants also, na? Plants also grown up like this way.
In the math notebook, we write smaller to big.
Yes, smaller to big.
With our numbers.
Very good. Rakimon, excellent. So, in this picture, we can see small to big means human and means any animals can grown up. Grown up means small to big. Understood? And here what you can see? In this picture, first you can see an egg.
Chickens, chicks, and eggs.
Okay,
It's an animal. Chicken, hen. Chicken, chick, hen, and egg. Animal can breathe bubbles. It's a house that it's a shop.
Second picture, you can see here. First we can see a egg. Okay. After that small chick. Then little big. After that hen. So in that way, same like human, small baby, little boy, young boy, and what is this? Gentleman means
Big boy. Father. Grown up.
same way human and animals both are grown up. I'm just showing you the example of living things. Okay. Then I am going to show you. Yes, look at this picture. What you can see?
Teacher, your picture is not coming.
Why my
They
picture?
can move. Teacher, I cannot see your picture. Black color coming. Black color. One by one. This picture is how this is our house. The people and animals are moving.
Yes, people and animals can move. What is
Teacher,
it?
I cannot see you.
Mahmoud, please don't talk. Listen to me and look at the screen. Useless talk, no need in the class, Mahmoud. No need to show my face. Whatever I'm showing you, just focus on that. Understood? So what I'm showing here written is, what is written? Living things can move. In this picture, we can see the animals also can move and person also can move. So both animals and human can move. Okay, this is the another qualities of the living thing. So what I show you? First I show you living things grown up. Living things can move. Then I show you one more picture also, that is the, I'll show you 1 second. Yes.
Breathe.
Yes, breathe.
Breathe.
Can
This is first one.
yes, first one. Okay, no problem. One more picture I'm going to show you. What is written on the top? Anybody can read?
Living things can produce babies.
Very good. Living things can produce baby. See here, mother and baby. Okay, same like you. And where you can see here, cat and kitten. This is also cat means mother and kitten means baby. So
Produce babies.
produce babies means give birth. Okay. So living things can breathe. Living things can move. Living things can grow up, and living things
Nice.
produce babies.
Product babies.
So many things I told you. And now I'm going to show you some pictures. Here I write living things. Here what is written?
Living, no living.
Living and
Living and
living and non-living. So already we know just now and before also I taught you what is the meaning of living things. Today I am going to teach you about the non-living. Non-living just opposite of living things. Understood? Non-living means just opposite. So what is the opposite? Living things can move. So opposite of move, can't move. Non-living things can't move. Living things take breath. What is the opposite?
Living things can take breathe. Not living things that cannot take a breath.
Very good. Living things grown up.
And
Non-living things.
cannot move. Living things can move. Not living there cannot move.
Yes, non-living things cannot move. If I will tell this bottle, hello, this bottle, can you move? Bottle can move? No, because of non-living things. Non-living things. I will show you one example. Living things can move, but non-living. Okay, my dear, come here, come this side. Look, this is an example of living things, and this is the example of non-living things. Okay. First, I will give the message to non-living things. Move. Non-living things, can you move? No, cannot move.
There cannot hear also. There cannot talk.
Living things, can you move? Go to the other room. Oh, see, living things can move. We got the activity. All of you clap for that. Yes, I show you one activity. And last time also I show you now one activity how to make the in our art.
Smaller to greater.
No, biscuit. No. That day, Mahmood, you are absent in the class. I taught you about art, social studies. That time I make an activity. I gave a biscuit, make it 4 pieces. 1 piece they are taking inside. Then how many pieces are there? 3 parts. Same like our art also has 3 parts full of water and 1 part land. That one also one activity we did in the Zoom class. And just now also I show you one activity. Living things can move. Non-living things cannot move. Okay, this much completed. So now tell me some non-living things example. It is a living things and non-living things.
Non-living things.
Okay. This is a living things and non-living things.
Non-living things.
Okay, now this is a living things and non-living things.
Living things.
Very good. We cannot feel, but it is a living thing. We cannot feel means they cannot move. I cannot see, but can take breath, need food to grown up, and first time it is coming very small and slowly it is grown up. You know, in that way the qualities have the living thing. Same way it is also a living thing. Okay. Now go to the lesson. Living things I taught you. Now go to the next page. Here. What do living things do? Okay, Anisha. Tell me any one. Too much sound. One second. Too much sound coming. Tell me any one example, the qualities of the living thing. Anyone. In your book also have so many examples. In that way, you know living things qualities. You can tell only one. Tell me again.
Plants.
No. I said, what do living things do? What is living things doing? Just now I show so many examples. Na? Taking breath, can move, these all. Tell me anyone.
They need food and water.
All of you clap for Monae. All of you clap for Monae. Clap for Samia. Clap for Samia. Yes. Sabkat, my dear. Tell me any one sentence about the living things. Sabkat, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Sabkat, tell me. Any one. Okay, Rakimon, tell me. Rakimon, you can tell. Rakimon, one more time.
Muhammad.
Okay. Okay, Sabkat, you want to say? Say Sabkat. Why Sabkat sound is not coming? Kazi, tell me one point about the living things. What living things doing?
Smaller to bigger.
Very good, all of you clap for Kazi. Kazi said, living things smaller to very good. Now Talha will say what one example, one point. Tell me Talha. Anyone? Quickly, fast. This is one more time, Talha.
They breathe.
Yes, taking breath. Very good. All of you clap for Talha. Now I am going to ask the Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz, tell me one point. Tell me one point living things are doing. How you know this is a living thing? How can you find it? Yes? Again? Abdul Aziz, fast.
So what you told?
Where are you, Baba? Where are you now? Same thing.
I'm here.
I'm repeating the same thing so many times. Again, you listen the class, then I will come to you. Mahir. Yes, Mahir.
Teacher.
Tell me one point.
Yes,
Baba.
teacher.
Tell me one point.
Yes.
What is the quality of a living thing? Anyone? Tell me fast.
Teacher, about fish. Teacher, about fish.
Mahir also not listening to me. Okay, Najmul, tell me. Najmul, your sound is not coming, my dear.
Food and water.
Very good. They need food and water. Very good. All of you clap for Najmul.
Teacher, I want to say.
So, everybody will not get always the chance. You got already before, no? So I have to give everybody. Jamie, tell me one point.
Breathe.
Okay, very good. Breathe. So this is the qualities of the living thing. They need food and water. Very good. You can see in the book, they need food and water. Okay. Number 2 is they can move. Number 3 is number 3 they breathe. Number 4 they grown up. I show you the picture now, grown up, how they are grown up. Okay. For the all points I take. For the all points I took the picture. First one I tell they are okay, whatever. They are grow up. Okay. They produce the babies. They produce. Living things can breathe. Okay. Living things can move.
Can grow.
Can move.
Teacher.
One more picture I want to show you. That is
living things can take breathe.
Yes. What is this?
Living things need food.
What? This is the. What is the name of this animal?
Panda.
What is the food of panda? What you can see in this picture?
Bamboo. It's a bamboo.
Any leaves. And what is this? What is the picture of this?
Sun.
No.
Sun.
Okay. This one. Plant, Baba. Plant.
This is the plant.
Plant need what? What is this? Here.
Sun.
Then what is
the plant?
And what is this? What is written down?
Teacher, I cannot see.
Now what is it?
Pick it up little bit. Carbon dioxide.
Down, down. Look at this.
Water.
Yes.
Water.
Yes. See, we are taking, that day I told you now, we are taking different kind of food, but plants, main food is the sun ray and water mineral. Sun ray coming from the sun and water coming from the underground, from mud. Okay. This is mentioned in this picture. This is mentioned in this picture. Now Azra is coming. Okay. So now you now know what you learned in this class. Now come to the page number 39. Why this much of sound coming? I don't know. Come to the page number 39. This page. This page. Come to this page. Here some points you can see. Who will read? I will take the names. They will read the points one by one. Nobody make the sound. I will tell who will read. First I will ask to the Rohan. Rohan, read the first point. Page number 39. Go to the first point.
Living things need food.
Very good. What Rohan said? Rohan said living things need food.
Living things need food.
Okay, now I will ask to Sanuki. Sanuki, read number 2. Read number 2. Louder. Sanuki, sound not coming, my dear. Still you have the problem for sound. Sound not coming, my dear. So sorry. Nobody hear you. I will tell. No, I told you nobody open the mouth. Nobody open the mouth. Azra
is mute.
Azra is muted. I don't know how. Okay. Azra is muted in her side. Okay. Azra, page number 39, my dear. Open the page number 39, Azra. Azra will read the point 3. Number 3. Read, Baba, louder.
Living things.
Breathe. Very good. Adra just now joined the class, but she gave me the right answer. Number 3 is what, Anisha? Ranisha, what is the number 3? Okay. Now, Munaid, I will ask to the Najmul. What is the spelling of breathe?
B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe.
Excellent, Najmul. Very good. Now, number 4. Mahamud, read the number 4. Mahmoud, I ask you, read the number 4. Point number 4. Quickly, Mahmoud.
Living things can produce.
No, produce.
Babies.
Just I already explained. I show you the picture. Living things can produce, right? Who is talking, Baba? Who is talking like this way?
Someone talking in Bangla. Yes, teacher, I think Fuad.
No, not Fuad. You cannot say Fuad. Fuad is not talking. Fuad? Where is Fuad? What is not there? What is not attending the class? Habibur? Habibur in the class? Habibur in the class? I don't know. Okay.
I can do now.
Okay, read number 5. Abdul Aziz, read the number 5. Quickly.
Living things grow.
Very good. Living things grow. Now Abdul Aziz, concentrate. So what is the number 5? Living things grow. Already I show you the picture. This is the related picture. Abdul Aziz, look at the picture. Whatever you said, this is the related picture. Okay. So today we learn so many. Mona is coming now. Okay. Number 5. Number 6. Who will tell me? Mahid. No, Mahid. Mahid.
I am telling. Living things.
Mahid, one more time.
Yes, teacher.
All of you, close your mouth. Mahid will say only. Mahid, tell me.
Plants and animals are living things.
Yes, plants and animals are living things. I show you plants and animals. Where I show you this picture? I show you this picture. This one. This is also a living thing. This is also living thing. So almost we complete our lesson. After that, now today actually don't have time. Almost time complete. Actually, I am planning to complete that exercise. No problem. Tomorrow I will. Better you will do this one. Are these living and non-living? You can see now the picture. First one I will explain.
Yes.
One plant picture. This is the living thing. Now tell me, bag is a living thing and non-living thing?
Non-living thing.
Very good. Bird is a living thing and non-living thing?
Living thing.
Bicycle, living thing and non-living thing?
Non-living.
Bicycle can move, but without your help, no. If you'll sit, if you'll paddle, then only it will move. Bicycle, car, truck, train cannot move alone. Need your help. Same like computer. Computer also can do the work, but without your help, no. Need your help. Understood? Now, second picture, CPU. Computer. Living and non-living?
Non-living. Non-living. Living things. Non-living.
Yeah, you. What is the name? Irfan, no? Irfan,
Yes.
can you hear me? Irfan, can you hear me?
Irfan?
What is?
I am Raihan.
Huh?
Her name is Raihan.
Raihan. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Raihan. Raihan,
Yes.
tell me. Cow is a living thing and non-living thing. Cow.
Living.
Living thing. How you know cow is a living thing? Tell me any one point.
No. Cow.
Tell me. I will tell you. Cow can move. Cow take breath. Cow grows up. Cow eat food. That's why. Okay. Very good. Now, peacock. Peacock is a living thing and non-living thing. Talha. Peacock.
Peacock.
Yeah. Peacock is a living thing and non-living.
Living.
Living. Yes.
Living.
So, full lesson we completed. Okay, living things explanation completed. Today I gave you the 5 words and yesterday I gave you 5 words. From tomorrow I will give the small 5 notes. Okay, we'll complete the lesson, then we'll take the test. Understood?
Yes.
So
Yes.
now tell me if you have any doubts, if you want to ask me any question related to the this lesson, I will give the answer.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, I write already that. I write down one.
Very good. All of you, my dear, do it in your textbook. Okay, that one you can do now.
Teacher, I doing.
Okay.
Teacher, I was doing this.
Okay, you
I
already,
done now.
you done now. Very good, Mahmood. Mahmood, very good. Now those are already I explained. No, tomorrow, yeah, today also. Yes, Mahir. Yes, Mahir. Only you have to write the living things, yeah, non-living things. Find out the picture and spelling also on the top. You can take the spelling from the questions. There is mentioned, but I need the neat handwriting. Okay, all of you write. Yes, yes,
Teacher,
dear.
what about the exercise? That side every time.
Yes, yes. What, Rakimon? What you want to say?
How about the exercise?
Yes, very good. Do your exercise. And first of all, you write on the top today's date also. What is the date of today?
2020.
2020. Write on the top date. Complete the exercise.
Share something to my friends.
What?
Teacher, I want to share something to my friends.
What you want to say? Say quickly. Time is over. Only 2 minutes. Quickly.
Teacher, I written washing hands 20 seconds, but I know telling happy birthday songs, not other. I telling every time happy birthday Mahmood, not other one.
Very good. Everybody do the practice, okay? This is a good thing. So now I'm going to say bye-bye to all.
Bye-bye, teacher. Bye-bye, teacher. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye,
teacher.
Take
Have a
care.
good day, teacher.
Yes.